welcome to this year's end of Schoology cleanup reminders. If you have any courses you would like to save, be sure to save your courses to your personal resources, and here's how. Now that you have saved course materials to your home resources, take time to organize your resources. Take any documents, presentations, quizzes, etc. that do not have a home and get them organized into folders under the correct topic, course, or unit. This will save yourself an organization headache next fall. Also, be sure to archive any manually created courses or groups. If you created groups for student clubs or organizations, you'll want to archive these. This prevents students and parents from accessing these next year. If your course is automatically archived but you're not sure when, you are able to check the date. To do so, click Course Options, then Edit Course. In the Grading Period window, scroll down to the current grading periods. You will see the end date posted, and that is when the district-created courses will archive. After that, you will need to access courses through the archives.